What are you doing?
Record.
What's up, guys? We're back here today shooting the 50 caliber, the RN50, and today we're gonna shoot axe. These two axe, I got them from I think, what was it, Home Depot or something like that. Anyway, and I want to see if the 50 cal can go through one or two of them. I'm not sure. Okay, so the way I'm gonna place them is, there we go. If you are new to the channel, pretty much it's a break action 50. Breaks open, has a breech cap. You open it, you insert your cartridge inside in there, and then you close it back up, cock it, and shoot it. All right, let's get to shooting. Those are all set. I'm using this Hornady case just to put them in. Don't mistake them for this other silver tip. These are the hollow points from Hornady AMAX, but this other one is a armor piercing incendiary, two different kind of bullets, but we are using the incendiary one. I'm just using this because I like the case better. Okay, here we go. Just Barry, ready?
Send it.
All right, there they are, side by side. This was the first one. It chipped it off. And there's your second one. Put a hole in it. And that's the back of it. Okay. And there's the second one. That was the entry and came right out. And here's the side by side. I could have gone a little higher, I guess, that part. You know what, let's shoot it one more time just for fun. I'm gonna see if I can put a hole right where the wood and the metal is. Okay, right over there, center. Let's see what happens, okay? I'm gonna go higher. Oh, let me go this way. It's not working. Perfect. Okay. All right, so again we're gonna go round two with the armor piercing incendiary. You ready, Just Betty?
Send.
Oh man, I threw them far back here. Okay guys, there they are, side by side. And there's the hole. I hope you guys can see the hole that's going through it. And that actually went on the really thick area, all metal. There's like thicker than this part here. And it continued going to the second one. And it made a hole. I hope you guys can see it. I can't tell from over there. Jasper, can you see the hole at all? Okay, can you guys see that? Okay, so that's the second one. Went in and it came out. Okay? Okay guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Let's go, Jasper.